Recently, some PUBG or BGMI players have been complaining. Unfortunately, PUBG apps show the game has been stopped. Please log in again in 5 minutes or 7 minutes or 10 minutes. And the PUBG Play can't play games for more than 2 hours. Now, if you can play more than 2 hours and keep getting this, the game has stopped, then watch this video and learn quick tips that will fix your problem. Open your PUBG game. Now tap the arrow icon. Tap Setting. Tap Other. Now you need to turn on this feature. Once you turn on the feature, this will never show you this pop error called "The game has been stopped. Please log in again in 2 minutes." Now back to your open PUBG. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, please comment below if you still have issues with "The game has stopped" on your Android. Thanks for watching.